Hello everyone, Aaron Hennings here. Today I wanted to talk about an underwriting narrative and how it's pretty similar to your first few dates you go on with someone, right? You're going to want to brag about all your strengths and you're going to want to hide your flaws. Now, if that isn't the first few dates, I don't know what is. So, insurance is a business, right? They want to make money. Underwriters, their bonuses are tied to writing profitable business. How do they know if something's going to be profitable? Well, one, they're going to look at your claims history. That's a pretty good indicator of whether you work safely or you do good work, is whether or not you've already had claims experience in your life. The other part is going forward. What are you doing as a company to prevent claims? What's your strategy there? And the more you have, the more you brag about it, the more comfortable an underwriter is going to be with your business about, giving you better rates. Some of the things that I've thought of in the past and now is, what's your driver safety program? What does that look like? What kind of vehicles are you operating? Do you have newer vehicles because you think they're more safe and, better on the road, less chance of having a breakdown and having an accident and injuring some more workers? What about on the job? What's your safety culture like that? Have you brought in an outside safety person to work on your company's safety culture to where it's not just, the owner saying we should do this, but it's the supervisor, it's the laborers, all of them kind of buying into that safer culture. What is your quality of work culture? Do you take and, do you give 10% extra in terms of time so you make sure jobs aren't rushed, jobs are done correctly, so we don't have to worry about any claims for faulty construction, things like that. Just brag about yourself. What do you do better than other people? Why won't you have a claim versus the next company? What makes you different? What separates yourself? So the underwriting need, and the reason, so then what you do with that underwriting narrative is you take it to, an underwriter and go, hey, I've got this quote. Do you want to match the rate or can you beat the rate? If you can beat the rate, you've got the business. So the underwriter is going to look at that narrative and maybe they'll feel more comfortable. They'll give you that lower rate and they hope you're writing some profitable business for them. So again, Aaron Hennings here. Remember, lessons in insurance are often learned the hard way. In insurance, the hard way is often the expensive way. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.